Stop scrolling. This 2-ingredient kitchen secret might give you a natural glow in just days. Add 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Now, add a pinch of turmeric. Stir well until combined. First, stir the mixture well. Apply with cotton on your whole face. Leave for 15 minutes, then rinse well. Apply with cotton on your whole face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse well. Stir the mixture well. Apply with cotton on whole face. Use gentle sweeping strokes. See my face? How am I looking? This gives a natural glow and removes tan. It looks so bright and glowing now. How to use: apply with kata on the whole face. Gently sweep it across your skin for even coverage. Stirring this mask to make my skin glow. Now I'll wash it off and show you. See my face? How am I looking? This Milk and Turmeric Natural Glow Pack gives your skin instant brightness. It's the perfect natural solution for glowing skin. For naturally bright skin, drink plenty of water, use sunscreen daily, and sleep 7 to 8 hours. Avoid harsh chemicals.